Good afternoon, students. Welcome to maths class. Students, today we will do our exercise 2.2. Let's see its first question. Express the following number in standard form. So, let me tell you, students, the general expression of standard form is k into 10 raised to the power n, where k is our here decimal number, or you can say significant, and n is here whole number. And the value of k lies between 1 to 10, where 10 is excluded, means we will not take the value of k is here 10 and 1 is included. Okay, so let's move on. Our given number is 0.000000085 here, and we have to convert into the standard form. So we will shift the decimal point. Our decimal point is here, and we will shift these decimal points towards right sides till you get just one digit to the left of the decimal points. Okay, so let's shift these decimal points. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, and write the decimal numbers here 8.5, because now our decimal number is 8.5, and we have shifted the decimal points up to 12 steps. So we will write that steps in the form of power. So you can see here power of 10 and 10 raised to the power minus 12. So now remember, if you are shifting your decimal points towards right side, so your power of 10 will be negative. Okay, and if you are shifting your power left side, so the power of 10 will be positive. Remember it. So let's move on to next case. So you can see here there is no decimal points, means decimal will be at last. So just assume that your decimal will be at last if there is no decimal given in the number. So that's why. So you can see here, now we will shift according to the concept. We will shift the decimal points here. In this case, we will shift the decimal points towards left side till we get just one digit to the left of the decimal point. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. We have shifted the decimal point up to 15 places. So you can see here. So now this is our decimal number according to this concept, 6.02. And here I'll represent the positive power, because we are shifting the decimal points towards left sides, and according to the concept, if we are shifting our decimal points towards left sides, so the power will be what? Positive. So you can see here, and you know 15, we have shifted the decimal point up to 15 places. So that's why we will write in place of power n 15 here, where n is also represented as the number of places of decimal points, right students? So this is our required standard forms. If there is any problem, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number without any hesitation, students. So let's move on to question number 2. So in question number 2 is express the following numbers in usual forms. So such type of condition is our usual form, and such type of condition is our standard form. So now it means that standard form is given to you, and we have to shift we have to change this standard form into the usual form. So let me tell you, in the standard form, if the power of 10 is negative, remember in standard form, now this is our standard form. In this standard form, if the power of 10 is negative, then what you will do, you will move the decimal point which is given in the condition. So you will move the decimal points towards left sides, because your power of 10 is here negative. Remember it, students. So let's start and move the decimal points towards left side. Now here our power is negative, so we will move the decimal points towards negative, towards left side. So let's start. Take the significant according to the steps. We will take the significant. We have taken here now 3.026 is our significant. Significant means decimal numbers. So our given decimal number is here 3.026. Now shift the decimal points towards, where we will shift the decimal point towards right or toward left. We will shift the decimal points towards left side. Why? Because the power is negative here, so that's why. And trail it by 0 if it is necessary. So you can see here one place is for 3, and now we have to shift up to 6 places, because power is 6 here or negative here. So that's why we will shift the decimal points towards left side. So 1 is for 3. Now we have to shift up 5 places now. So 1 2 3 4 5 up to here. Now you can see here we have shifted decimal points to there. So 1 2 3 4 5, you can see here we have shifted the decimal points up to 6 places. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So now I'll write the usual forms, original usual form now changes your usual form. So now our decimal point is here now. So write this decimal point 0 0 0. How many zeros I count? Just count 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 3 0 2 6. This is our required answer. Any problem? No. So let's move on. So you can represent the zeros here. So let's move on to next. So second condition is our 1.007 into 10 raised to the power 11. So as I told you, if your power is positive, so you have to move the decimal points towards right side. Now if your standard form power is positive, you can see here this is our standard form and its power of its power is here positive, so we have to shift this decimal points towards right side. And in case of negative, we have shift the decimal points towards left side. Remember students, remember it. Okay, so we have to shift the decimal points towards right side and up to, and we will trail the zeros if it is necessary. If there is no zero, no digit there, so we have to trail the zero. Okay, according to the concept. So let's start. Power is positive here and we have to shift the decimal point towards right side up to 11 places. So let's start. Take the significant 1.007 we have taken according to the concept. Take the significant and shift the decimal points. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We have to shift the decimal point up to 11 places because the power is 11 here. Now our point here will be now here. So now write the changes number usual form. So 1 0 0 7 0 0 0 0. How many zero? Just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this is our required usual form of the given condition. So this is our required answer. So let's, so if there is any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Now students, so note it down your homework. So homework of today is your express the following numbers in standard forms. So just note it down. First question is you have to convert this number into the standard form 0.000000942. Just note it down. And second question is this 8030, convert into the standard form. Now question number 2 is express the following in usual form 7.579 into 10 raised to the power 14, and second is 5.375 into 10 raised to the power 14. So this is the homework for you, and send this homework within 20 minutes after uploading my videos. Okay, so if there is any problem in the exercise 2.2, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. So students, thank you very much, and do the homework and send the homework the answer of the following questions in between 20 minutes. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.